Hello, Dagas Liwan Kamangga. Madagas-dagas. Nagadagas actually. Ay! Julian, careful ha. I might slide. Teura ran? Laka pa? Come. You go in the grass. You go in the grass. Mangga. Ayan o, sabit. You walk in the grass. You will slide. Daming mangga. Mangga. Mga 1 ton ja? More than? Tana magkapon buyer gali. Daming mangga oh. Alam niyo ba guys, totoy ang mangga kadya mas matanda pa sa akin. Dito pa kami naglalaro dati. Mga 80 years na siguro to. Ang laki ng puno oh. Laki ng puno. Oh, don't go there ha. Don't go up there. The dog is sleeping oh.
Where?
Here oh, you see the dog? Oh. Oh, di ba? Mango. Come here. I will help them.
Huh?
We'll help them to segregate the mango.
You go there.
Come here.
Falling down.
Falling down. Falling down the mango. Carabao, 1, 2. Come here. You know. In the grass, walk in the grass only. Iniwan ko. Para matuto. Yeah, in the grass. Walk only. Yan, ang taas oh. You know how to walk very good. See the Carabao there? Oh. Carabao. Carabao.